You are watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that cover market news and share trading signal from experts. I am Sun Chai. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose on Thursday despite poor data showing a slowdown in growth in the first quarter after analysts put them down to the bad weather. The greenback ended the day at 1.36 to the euro and 101.77 to the yen. Today's data include personal consumption expenditure, which is expected to rise to 1.4% in April and is important from the standpoint of monetary policy, as it is closely scrutinized by the Fed. Next to the euro. The euro continued to weaken on Thursday after a Reuters poll of economists showed most expected the central bank to ease policy at the June Fed meeting. The euro ended the day at 1.36 to the dollar and 138.43 to the yen. Today's data include German retail sales, which are expected to show a rise of 1.5% in April, and Italian CPI. British pound. The pound fell on Thursday after recent poor data, including a sharp drop in mortgage lending and a reported sell from CBI. Lower expectation of an early rate hike from the BOE, sterling ended the day at 1.6715 to the dollar and 0.8135 to the euro. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Thursday despite data showing an even sharper fall in retail sales in April than had been expected from the rate hike. Upbeat talk from the economists who see a rebound coming helped offset the bad data. The Japanese currency ended the day at 101.77 to the dollar and 170.11 to the pound. And now the session you have been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisor, provides you daily trading signal from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long position above 1.3585 with target at 1.3625 and 1.364 in extension. Below 1.3585, which will look for further downside with 1.3555 and 1.353 as target. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short position below 1.6755 with target at 1.6069 and 1.6066 in extension. Above 1.6755, which will look for further upside with 1.6078 and 1.6082 as target. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short position below 101.8 with target at 101.4 and 101.2 in extension. Above 101.8, which will look for further upside with 102 and 102.50 as target. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in on Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Sun Chai and you have been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.